In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create text in Onshape CAD. So I have this pre-made shape right here, and basically the first thing that you want to do is to click on the new sketch button, and then I'm going to select this face right here, and then I'm going to name this text. I'll click on the check button, and as you can see, if we selected the port that we want to put the text on, there will be a new option called text. So just click on it, and from there you then want to drag it into the shape that you want to put your text on. I'll go ahead and put our view to the front, and then I'll enter something like my own company. Let's say that my company's name is going to be Textile. In my case, I'll just click on the check button, and basically from there you then want to edit out the size of your text to make sure that they align properly with our shape right here. After adjusting your text the way you want to, you then want to simply select one of these tools right here, but in my case I'm going to extrude it, which means that I will be able to create a shape using the text that I've entered. So now I have this text right here. Of course, you will be able to edit this the way you want to, but in my case, I'm happy with what I got. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.